Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my new lecture, which is critical review of the role of private sector in teacher education. This topic belongs to the unit number 4 for the subject of teachers education in Pakistan, B.Ed 1.5 and B.Ed 2.5. The private sector's role in teacher education in Pakistan has grown significantly over the years, and it has both positive aspects and noticeable changes. Here's a critical review of the role of the private sector in teacher education in Pakistan. Firstly, we discuss their positive aspects and then we discuss their critical review. In positive aspects, number one, we discuss diversification of choices. Private sector institutions have diversified the options available for teachers' education in Pakistan. They offer a variety of program and specialization catering to different needs and preferences of aspiring teachers. Then we focus on quality focus. Some private sector teacher education institutions in Pakistan have earned a reputation for maintaining high academic standards and delivering quality education. They often emphasize modern teaching methods and incorporate technology into their programs. Then innovative approaches. Private institutions are often more flexible and open to innovation. They can introduce new teaching practices and curriculum updates more rapidly than public institutions, adapting to changing educational trends. Then responsive to market demand. Private sector institutions are more likely to respond to market demands and the specific needs of employers. This flexibility can lead to better alignment between teacher education program and actual requirement of schools. Then smaller size classes. Private institutions often maintain smaller class sizes, allowing for more personalized attention and interaction between students and instructions. Then we discuss challenges and critics. Number one is affordability. Private sector teacher education program can be significantly more expensive than their public sector counterparts. This cost can make quality teacher education inaccessible to many individuals, especially those from low income backgrounds. Then we discuss quality variability. While some private institutions uphold high standards, others may prioritize profit over quality. This leads to a wide range in the quality of education provided, making it difficult for students to choose reputable institutions. Then lack of regulation. The private sector in Pakistan is often criticized for a lack of effective regulation and oversight. This can result in institutions offering subpar teacher education programs without proper accreditation. Then equality. The growth of the private sector can accelerate educational inequalities in Pakistan. Those who can afford private teacher education programs may have access to better opportunities, while those who cannot may be left with fewer choices and low quality education. Then credential recognition. Some private sector teacher education programs may not be recognized or accepted by public schools or government education departments, limiting job prospects for the graduates. Then inadequate practical training. Like some public sector institutions, certain private institutions may not provide sufficient practical teaching experiences, leaving graduates ill prepared for a real classroom challenges. Then emphasis on profit. In some cases, private institutions may prioritize profit making over educational outcomes, potentially compromising the quality of education provided. Then exclusivity. Private teacher education institutions may cater primarily to urban areas and urban populations, limiting access for individuals in rural or underserved regions. In summary, the private sector has private sector has contributed to diversifying teacher education options in Pakistan, promoting innovation and offer quality programs. A balanced approach that combines the strength of the both public and private sector along with effective regulatory mechanism is essential to ensure that teacher education in Pakistan meets high standards and remain accessible to a diversified population of aspiring educators.